Hey friends, if you wish to enable microphone in Opera, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open Opera. Now click on the three dots at the left bottom corner of the screen. Scroll down and then select Settings. Okay, now go to the Privacy and Security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Site Settings in the right pane. Okay, so to enable microphone, click on this option. You cannot give a blanket approval to microphone, otherwise it will take control over it, but you can allow sites to ask to use your microphone. Okay, or you can completely disallow the microphone, or if you want to enable it, you can enable it where sites will ask you to use the microphone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.